So, well, thank you again. My name is Ashton Keith. I'm working for RideHop as a user experience intern. As you may know or not know, that RideHop is a startup company with only 4 employees, including myself. So I work really closely to my CEO. Based upon what my last project that I presented to you guys was, which was a landscape analysis of our current platforms because we're in the process of redeveloping those platforms. I was tasked to do a content strategy based upon what my CEO felt was needed through our company. And I was a conflict of interest because my developer wanted a UI for the new platforms. We didn't work on that, but we decided to work on the content strategy first. And I think this is valuable for the company because it's a document that can be used throughout my time and really explain to any new employees to review what we are doing with the company and how the company works as far as color code and style guide, things that aspect. Um, so for this, I feel like the audience for this specific style kind of strategy will be all employees because each employee has some type of value for this kind of strategy, and it's everything that our company uses, or really our image and branding of our company on the one place. So it could be our CEO, it could be the developers, but also the marketing team. So I think it's valuable for everybody. How I really prepare for this, really mainly through conversation with the marketing team, conversation with the developer, and conversation with the CEO. But also through competitive analysis, seeing what other companies are talking about, and then getting a good grasp of what we're trying to go for and how our message could either benefit us and put us over our competitors, but also how we can create a brand that makes us unique to potential clients. So it's a lot of research, a lot of conversations, particularly with the CEO to get what his idea was. At the end of the day, it's his company. So to make sure the content matches what his goal and idea for aspirations for the company is. That also was a challenge because obviously he has a specific image and this is idea of how he wants content to be, but also you know he wants to give me an opportunity to work my magic and do great work and be a strategist for a team. So it was just a challenge to combine what I felt was needed to what he felt his message should be. You know, sometimes through research you might find some things to be valuable or things should be changed in it. That will be our message, and he might have something different. So it's just working back and forth to get the right message that makes me happy, but also makes the CEO happy. So the feedback was valuable because this was a document that we didn't have, and this is something that was based on going through Google Doc to give information. So for a marketing team, it's really good to have the color code and uh, style guide things in that aspect. For developers, good to have tone and have something because they don't really work in content. But everybody value this document, and I think this is a good evaluation for this. I think I did a good job with this, but also I think it always can be improved. That's the thing I like about these documents because it's never perfect and it's always meant to be updated. So I think it's really valuable in that aspect, and we can actually go through it and more so you can actually get a grasp of what I'm talking about. So really, it's just explaining what the guide is, you know, talking about what the strategy is for the company, talking about the goals of what our company wants to grow or where we want to be in a certain time. Goes more into a style guide, and it goes to the tone, which is key in how we explain or how we put our message out through our content. We're the audience of each platform, so the content can be displayed differently for different platforms. Um, Logo types, these are specific logo types we use, or icons. The don'ts for our logo types was really key for press and things of that aspect. Our color palette, which is really good for hex codes. So marketing team value that, while also development team really values that. Our fonts that we use, that's specifically for development team. App Store content, that's for a marketing team. Social media marketing team. SEO, developer and marketing team and metadata and governance. That's to actually tell who works in each aspect. But that always can be expected. Updated. So I think this is really valuable because it shows this work can be used beyond my time, years beyond my time, and this can be a document that can be used throughout the whole life cycle of this company. So I think this, for me, is great work because it adds value to the company, and I think that's my main